Good afternoon. I understand you've returned from the site survey. I hope the journey was smooth.
Good afternoon. Yes, it was a long trip, but overall things went well.
Excellent. Now, let's get down to business. Can you brief me on your observations and insights from the site visit?
Sure, I'll start with the primary concern, the existing building on the site. It's quite old and in a decrepit state, so it will need to be entirely removed before any new construction can start.
I see. That's expected, although it adds a layer of complexity to the project. What about access to materials? Do we have suppliers nearby?
Unfortunately, that's another challenge. There are no material agencies in the immediate vicinity. We'll need to factor in transportation costs for materials, which could increase the overall cost of the project.
That is a significant concern. We may need to renegotiate with suppliers or find other ways to manage these costs. And how about accommodation for the workforce?
That's the next issue. There's a severe lack of rooms for rent in the area. This could impact our ability to source local labor and may require us to consider lodging arrangements for workers from outside the area.
That further complicates things. We may need to factor in temporary housing solutions in our costings. Were there any issues with the site itself?
Yes, the site investigation report that we have is too old. We may need to conduct a new one to ensure we have accurate data on the ground conditions.
Agreed. We can't risk proceeding based on outdated information. I'll arrange for a new investigation. Finally, what about traffic access?
On the brighter side, there's no temporary traffic near the site, which could ease the construction process to an extent. The absence of traffic disruptions should help with the transportation of materials and machinery.
That's some good news at least. All right, we have our work cut out for us. Let's put together a comprehensive plan, factoring in all these issues, for the bid.
Absolutely, I'll get started on that right away.
Great, thank you for your detailed report. It's clear we'll need to approach this project strategically.